All right, good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. So this morning I'm going to give you updates. Oh my goodness. I know we told Nkere and his group to stay away from Arnorld. They don't want to listen. Stay away, stop. In fact, even if they want to stay away, I don't think that Arnorld will stay away from them. It is funny. It is funny, but not really fun though, because that's not about him, about him, about so. Anyway, this is just to remind you that McAnod is actually on the Ogenkere matter. You know, each post they made, the man will be on convention to analyze it. Each post they made now, McAnod will touchlight it. I've told you already how the whole thing started, and I wouldn't want to go back, to start telling the story again. Most of you that follow us here, if you are part and parcel of what we do here, the story is shouldn't be new thing to you. I mean, you should have been by now, and I believe you must have had basic knowledge about it. So let's start without wasting much time. So there's a post made by one of our media, and that post is what you are going to see here. It's funny. This post you are seeing here was made by Nkere. So, and my guy just put a comment there. That comment, triggered a lot of people, and we're gonna go through everything. You know why I'm laughing? Because everything is centered on the congressional hearing and congressional briefing. Something that we have talked about severally here, and some of the Ogekere people don't want to learn, they don't want to understand. I don't know what is wrong with our people. It is very easy to lie to our people and get away than to even tell them the truth, honestly. If you don't want to see, advise yourself, this kind of mockery way, it will be very rude. Do you understand? More will be on the way. So it is better you advise yourself and stop making mockery of yourself. So one of them made this post, which you are seeing on the screen now. Let me see if I can show you the name. Yeah, here we go. Okay, this account, when after declaration, this account was one of the accounts that was on PM, on DPM, and the USB government. This guy, I could remember. So he said, look at what he put here. He said, the pride of Biafrans, Ogechukwu Nkere, PM of Briggy, making history at the first ever congressional briefing in Washington, D.C. It's not as if this post was like he made it a long time ago. No, a recent one. And why they keep on talking about this congressional briefing and congressional whatever, knowing fully well that is a fraud? Just like you know that you lie to people, but you keep on retweeting how you lie to people. You don't. Maybe they actually believe that, because sometimes I find this strange to believe that somebody will be believe in that story of Nkere, of having congressional briefing. Now, let me not just waste your time. Please do me a favor. I forgot to beg you to like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Liking it is the best thing to do. Please give it a thumbs up and let us know what you think about this video by putting your comment on the comment section. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel and be part of the family. What we do here, we just try our best to present things the way it is and tell you our own opinion and open the door for you to also contribute and let us know what you think about it. If you are a crazy person, when you read your comment, we know that you're a crazy person, and that is part of it, because no society is 100% free of a crazy man. So if you want to be if you choose to represent Biafrans, like one of our own madman or mad woman, you are highly welcome, because we must have one. He said, why others talk, Nkere delivers. Why others attack, Nkere builds. Okay, Biafran's voice is being heard. Biafran is rising. Then he put this video here. So this video is what, after making this claim, my Nkere decided to comment on it. And let's hear what Nkere said here. He said over 3 million. Hold on. He said, let me go back, please. He said over 3 million Biafrans were murdered. Okay, over 3. Let me just send it back so you understand what he said. I don't want to miss any part. Let me start it. Let me start it again for you to see. Here, just listen. Between 29th May 1966 and 12th January 1970, and had the Biafrans not resisted by unilaterally declaring its independence, the massacre would have been incalculable and more courageous. There is credible evidence that sectional Nigeria provoked the Nigerian Civil War as a cover-up to accomplish the genocide that they have begun against Biafra. 3 million Biafrans were murdered between 29th May 1966 and 12th January 1970. And had the Biafrans not resisted by unilaterally declaring its independence, the massacre would have been incalculable and more courageous. There is credible evidence that sectional Nigeria provoked the Nigerian Civil War as a cover-up to accomplish the genocide. Now, this thing that he said here is what triggered my Nkere said, because my Nkere was not. I think he wasn't. You already know what the guy is doing. Because of this empty seat that you have talked, because the full video, if you see the full video, you can see that nobody was there, only Biafran gathered in that place. So my Nkere, what did he say? He said he called it an empty room with laugh. So now the video himself has 10, look at it here, 10 reaction. Mike Arnold's video comment alone generated 15. 15, and the view to the video is 1,513, but my Nkere comments viewed is only 1,200. Okay, that's 1,200. Now let's go to comments here. The general comment. This person said Nkere's name is fraud. He claimed meeting with Congress with the Congress people. We're all fraud, as no Congress person ever verified having any meeting with him. His Congressional committee hearing was fraud, as no Congress person was present. Claimed to have meeting with Mike Johnson was also fraud. Okay, and he put this video of Mike Arnold. Listen. The rules in the cigar. That was my voice. So this happened to be my video, if you can remember. So here I was reacting on the Mike Arnold presence, his video with Mazakwa and Nkere. Now, when it seems like, the way I dictate it, okay, and the way I write on it, is the reason why that portion of that video, went viral. Not that I'm the one that noticed what he said. Mazakwa and Nkere noticed it, but maybe my reaction, you know what I mean. Now, listen, this is part of it. What did Mike say here? He said, anybody can pay lobby just to have photograph. Anybody can pay them, pay lobby to connect them to have photograph and have handshake with them. This is picture, only photograph. Like my Nkere said that anybody can pay lobby. Lobby can help you to have this kind of photograph. that does not mean that there's any meaningful thing that are attached to you having a handshake with him. So Nkere can show you, when he's having a handshake and meeting them, but he dare not show you when they're having meeting. In more than 2 years now, there is no video, not even a picture where they sat down around the table and be talking. But don't tell me that he don't want to share that. If he can have the energy or the desire, the wish to share when he's having handshake, what stops him from sharing to you when they are having meeting? You know what I mean? So the guy that combined this is tried. Anybody can pay lobby or Congress lobby to have a photograph. That doesn't mean they accomplished anything. You get the point now. Now this is now. Thank God that this person just have this. This is Congress briefing of all. You can see these places is meant for Congress people to sit down and listen to you. They say there is Congress hearing, Congressional hearing. When they noticed that no Congress will be on attendance, they twisted it to Congressional briefing. Here it is.
December 2nd, 2024, in which Britain declared independence of Biafra on December 2nd, 2024.
You see, even in the building, this man was still lying. Knowing fully that what you are lying about is verifiable. That Brigitte declared their independence, that's declaration on December 2nd. When he was saying this, people think that he just want to, protect or he love PM Samuel Ekpa so much that he want the word of PM to come to accomplishment. No, he was trying that to test his relevancy, but he failed woefully. Not because of PM, not because of PM Samuel Ekpa, for his own selfish interest. And this is not the first time he made an attempt. Remember, he called for Congress, he called for cabinet meeting, testing water, testing his superiority, testing his relevancy. He failed. Then again, he tried to question, the reason why he decided to, to attack that fundraising, the first fundraising. He said that men on ground will be going, they will go hungry, they need food. You remember? He refused, he resisted it, and he failed, of course. Though some gullible Biafrans went for that fundraising and they got, punished by DPM and the Biafrans. Do you understand? So this has happened. He has been testing his popularity and keep failing, to the extent of saying this year that was something that is registered globally, that Biafra was redeclared on November 29th, 2024. This man is still telling the whole world that it took place on 2nd of December. Even Google did not subscribe to that lies. Listen.
December 2nd, 2024, Biafra was redeclared.
This is the reason why when we talk about criminality and deception of this guy, people seem to misunderstand it. Some people don't quite get it. Here it is.
In Congress, I have met with the Speaker of the House, my Josie, and I told my Josie, the number 3 ranking. I said, why?
Okay, let me see how I can reduce the size so that you can see his face. This was him during the convention in Finland. But
I'm going to Finland. We Biafrans are going to Finland to declare Biafra on December 2nd.
Oh, what do you pronounce? Oh, you women and the Managalo.
They are not movable. December 2nd. Biafra is here now.
Inania. Play it again. Let me see if I can play it again. I want to get it done. Just a moment, because there's a reason you get to why. Pay attention.
At the State Congress, I have met with the Speaker of the House, my Josie, and I told my Josie, number 3 ranking in the news. I said, Mike, I'm going to film. We Biafrans are going to film. To declare Biafra on December the 2nd. What do you think if I go to Washington tomorrow and tell them they change? We are not movable. December the 2nd. Biafra is here. Restore. Who said it?
You get the point now. Seeking for relevancy. Now another comment said, is he briefing the empty room or just making video talking nonsense to convince his stupid followers? Mighty Thunder, just look at how you are disgracing yourself. This is Nkere. Okay, I believe Mighty Thunder, how you are disgracing yourself, useless people. Okay, I think he's talking to Nkere. I don't know. This everybody really, there's a lot of mighty now. Mighty Thunder, mighty this, mighty. I don't know who is who. Said, child, and I call you. You go nowhere. That is Akoko the underground in Nigeria. Akoko underground Nigeria agent disguising as agitators. Dear son said, the only criminal that has 2 son names, Anyogo and Nkere. Jokers and illiteracy scammers. American car wanted to go to the US, so I don't need to waste my time on that. Now, let's go to my Arnorld post. You understand? Now, when you click here, okay. Let me go back a little bit because I just want to remind you that here under this comment we have where is that comment of okay, is it on the mic? Just a moment, let me see, because Sona Parawa also actually made a post to defend what I don't know. Sona Parawa, yeah. So under my Arnorld comments to this video, Sona Parawa tried to go there to comment, and here I told you this is comment generates a couple of 17. He said his first ever address to Congress when Nkere is he's talking to Makano. That Makano is just addressed Congress for the first time. Why Nkere is, because said when it's supposed to be why Nkere is there, is going there every day taking picture, and you guys told us he was addressing them all this while. So what is he going to tell his Mike Johnson about his lies? Okay, he's actually against Nkere. Okay, he's just trying to remind Nkere. It's even target to Snow, the one called Snow, who happened to be the COS of Nkere now. Now this is coming from Sona Parawa. He said officially, what Brigade does, just bring his old tweets. Okay, not Sona Parawa. I think it's this guy that made a comment is shared this picture. He said officially what Brigade does on daily basis in Washington DC in America echoes in history as part of the political and diplomatic strategy for Biafran recognition. Remember, they claimed that Biafran declared the name that they declared is fake. They said it's the one USB charger. They also told you that they declared it on December, but they are trying to look for the recognition for Biafra that declared on 29. That is madness, isn't it? As the House Committee on Foreign Affairs gathered to discuss the conflict and persecution in Nigeria, which we in turn put, I don't know what which we in turn put, okay, maybe there's another comment there, but the screenshot did not show everything. Now, that is something that somebody just, screenshot to add it up. This one said, Mike Arnold, the same empty room was where the voice of Biafran was heard. It's a lie, they didn't hear anything. Where Congressman Rep James had the voice of Biafran, he began to speak about the release of Americano. The same empty room was where United States had the voice of Biafrans and sanctions was raining on Nigeria. Another lie. He said, "You bloody criminal." Somebody's calling him, "You bloody criminal. Does this place look empty, you fraudster?" Now, the Congress never for the empty. When you are here, you expected to have some, presence of people that matter. Did you understand? Not even, let's say, independent humanitarian organization, something like that, like people that actually care, human rights organization, or maybe people that own their own platform that will help you to push this your gathering. Nobody. The only white people or white person there are two people, Elias and Rubin. Okay, nothing more. This person said, "Please pay no heed to these scammers and charlatans. Just look at how you are disgracing everybody and everybody in the name of Biafra. You guys are proper fools." Okay, get the now. Oyo Tufasi, my Arnorld, please be wary of. Okay, this one looks like US. Let me read what he said. Please, my Arnorld, please beware of anyone saying he. This is not the mistake. I think he made a mistake by the spelling. Anyone saying he or she is rigging, fighting for Biafra. IPOB is the supported movement championing the Biafran push, but I believe with time you will decode their moves. I believe many of these kinds are receiving money from Nigeria to destroy the effort of millions of Biafrans. Sir, no mind them. These are the people that joined the group Masnamurkano have sat to continue sabotaging the restoration of Biafra. They keep doing all this evil and keep lying on social media. That's a mighty thunder. Okay? And this Odogu again, who happened to be okay, the person said, same empty room. You know what the people don't have to do best is to copy and paste. Copy and paste. They don't, they cannot just say something and hands up. Same empty room was where the voice of Biafra was heard, if I know go before. And the President Tinubu and President Trump designated Nigeria into a country of particular concern. So they actually believe that Nkere made American government to declare Nigeria as a country of particular concern. You see the mentality. For how long are you going to allow yourself to be, to be used? You won't be deluded. How is it possible that people cannot listen? He said the same empty room was where Biafran's cries was heard and made the Department of War of United States of America bomb terrorists in the Christmas 2020. You can see their mindset. They actually believe that this handshake of Nkere is the reason why what is that means Nkere is a very clever scammer, because to compare, the level of your brain. Mike Arnold, stay away from different political issues. Really? So you're not running politics already? I thought you are agitating and you are looking for freedom. He said, political issue, don't say we did not want you. We do not want you about this evil character you are displaying on social media, trying to trash our freedom just because of peanuts given to you by whoever. Okay, Oscar, you will soon running naked in a marketplace. Save this post and save this post. Mad Mike. Is it threatened? It said it started with an empty room. And man, Ikeburo, very funny. Boy, you are slow. Somebody. Now, these guys, they don't have any idea of shame. So somebody says serious empty room. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. I just want to share this with you because this is how they roll. What is funny about it is the way Mike Arnold just drop one few comments and this thing just trigger them because truth is not something that you can buy from anywhere. Look at the post from Arnorld that made them to go gaga. An empty room, he said. And that's this was empty room, didn't sit down well with them. He didn't sit down well with them, and they begin to run mad. Let me know what you think about it, and God bless you. Please make sure you like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Good morning, good evening. Take care of yourself. Of course, good afternoon to you.